Hello and welcome to this new video on how to OneDrive login. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on it and you just need to type OneDrive and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result that says Microsoft OneDrive. Just click on it and Microsoft OneDrive interface will be shown to you in your screen. Now you just have to click on the sign in button, that is also the login button. Now you just have to enter your email, phone, Skype or your Outlook account, and when you have entered it, you just have to click on the next button. Now you just have to enter your password, and when you have entered your password, you just have to click on the sign in button, and they will ask you another question, that is stay signed in. And if you want, then you can just click on the yes button. If you don't want, then you can just click on the no button, and you will be continued or redirected to the home page of OneDrive. As you can see, I have successfully logged in on OneDrive. So this is how you can easily log in OneDrive. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.